Colors coated both the grass of the India-Jamaica Friendship Garden and people alike during the recent 2024 Holi Festival celebrations. The annual event, hosted by the Indian High Commission to Jamaica, aimed to observe the auspicious occasion that has been revered on the subcontinent of India for generations. Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, is held on the last full moon of the lunar month of Falguna, a month of the Hindu calendar. This ancient tradition marks the end of winter and recognizes the triumph of good over evil. Celebrants throw colorful powders called gulal and dance to traditional folk music, although here on the island, we see diversification and merging of cultures at the festival. I'm Raquel Robinson. Join PBCJ as we bring you through the highlights of Holi 2024, held on the grounds of the India-Jamaica Friendship Garden. Pleasant viewing.
It's not only for Indians, but also for the Jamaican Indians, also for the Jamaicans. And you see from the crowd that we have a good mix of the participants, which I think easily crosses 1,500 people this year. It's been fantastic. There's a much improvement over the Holi that we had last year in terms of turnout, in terms of number, that the footfall that we have. And I'm very happy, satisfied with what we have today. It's as per our expectation, and cannot be more satisfied than what we see today.
Holi is a very special festival. That's when we have no inhibitions about ourselves. We greet everyone saying Happy Holi. That's our Holi ki Shubhkamnaएं. It's a colorful festival, as you have seen, and it's really been great. 2024, the vibe has been amazing. The music, the cultural items, the food, everyone who's come in white clothes and they have no color on them. I don't know them, but I just go and ask them and I put color on them because that's what the festival is for, just greeting people. Even they may be your enemies, but it doesn't matter. That's the day when you forget all animosity and you greet everyone.
This is very significant for a number of persons, especially the Indian community and the Indian diaspora. It signifies the end of winter and the beginning of spring, of course. And then if you notice all these different colors, all these colors have a different meaning. Blue is really the skin of Krishna, and like red and yellow signifies marriage and fertility. And of course you have other colors that signify different things and means different stuff. But it's important to us in Jamaica to continue the tradition of our Indian ancestry and celebrating this important festival right here in Jamaica. And it means a lot to the community because if you notice how many persons are here today, not just the Indian community, but diaspora in general, and of course our own Jamaican, like myself, was connection to the Indian heritage. So it's very important that we celebrate this, and we are appreciative to our ambassador. Let me tell you, this ambassador is amazing, that has really reignited a number of our celebrations right here in Jamaica.
And reignite he did, through not only the incorporation of their own culture with a modern twist, but through the incorporation of Jamaicans and Jamaican music. Let's take a look at the highlights from a few of their performances done for Holi 2024 here on the island. Some of the music and the moves may seem foreign to some Jamaicans. However, the vibrant culture is nothing new to the Caribbean. Our timeline together here on the island is a testament to the long-standing history between two groups of people.
Indians did come to the Caribbean, in Jamaica especially in 1845. So this culture came at that time, which is what, 175 years ago. And in Trinidad and Guyana, it's a national holiday, which is known as Pagua. And Pagua is there even in the history books in Jamaica. So I think most children are aware of these festivals.
The fact that Jamaicans are invited to come in and be a part of this celebration, I think that's very satisfying. And we have consciously reached out to the Jamaicans in particular, that they come in and a part of the celebration. You see more than 50% of today's participants celebration is outside the Indian community. And that's very satisfying, and that's the way forward now for us in the coming years.
India and Jamaica has a long history together. If you just look at the indentured servants and the arrival of the indentured servants in Jamaica, an important role that they played at that time in the development of our country and still playing in the development of Jamaica. I mean, we see Indian in various different spheres of our lives here in Jamaica, in medicine, in business, and in other areas. And therefore, it's important that we continue to recognize this heritage. And we look forward to the continued development of the relations and the relationship between India and Jamaica itself and the diaspora group in Jamaica as we continue the strong history and heritage of highlighting our culture, but looking forward, of course, to the future and the collaboration that is seen as we continue to develop on the track of becoming first world country in our own rights.
Jamaican society has openly and with the warm arms opened up your homes, your place to accommodate Indian people here.
It's a pleasure for me to say Happy Holi 2024.
I'm Raquel Robinson, and this has been the highlights of Holi 2024. Thank you for watching.